When it comes to CNC machining, accuracy and efficiency are everything. Today we're going to talk about some of the features and benefits of our self-centering vices and how they can help you become more efficient in the shop. Our self-centering vise moves both jaws at the same time. That means every part is clamped dead center, no drift, no misalignment. In multi-axis machining, this keeps the part aligned with the machine's motion for maximum precision. And when used with a 0-point system, it ensures your part stays perfectly centered over the plate every time. We have self-centering vices to suit everything from small precision parts to larger workpieces. They're available in two series, the 125 wide series with lengths from 130 to 310mm and the 77mm series starting at 90 and running through to 210. Using the right size vise for each job minimises clearance issues with tools or holders, and in multi-axis machining, it gives your cutters more access around the part for safer, more efficient setups. Our 125 series vices use the industry standard 96x96 hole pattern, while our 77 series vices use the smaller 52mm pattern. All vices feature a location reference point to guarantee proper orientation on a 0-point plate. Simply attach your pull studs and drop them straight into any 0-point plate. This makes it effortless to switch from a large vise to a small vise without wasting time realigning after every setup. And for applications where 0-point isn't required, every vise body also features additional mounting points for direct table setup. Our jaws are built for flexibility and strength. They're reversible, giving you extended clamping range. They're removable, so you install soft jaws when needed. The serrated edges deliver high grip force for first op clamping. Dovetails provide extra holding strength when maximum rigidity is required. And the lower smooth faces are ideal for second operations or delicate materials. Every jaw is made from forged heat treat steel, built to last under the toughest conditions. Just like our jaws, the vise body is made from heat treat steel and precision ground for accuracy. They're built to withstand repeat use under demanding conditions. The entire vise is engineered to handle high clamping forces without flex, giving you reliable performance day in, day out. So now you know a little more about our self-centering vices and how they can help you become more efficient in the shop. We'll be sharing some more content on the features and benefits and showing some real-world applications. Hit the subscribe button to follow along.